Hey guys, Sarah here. Bronx is here. Oh, and there's Josie too. And then I got one little dog over there who just doesn't care. She's not into it. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Ipsy Glambag Plus for June 2019. This box is $25 a month and you get 5 full-size products personalized to you, valued at $120 or more. This is my second time doing this box. Last month I thought it was okay, and I would like to make a correction, I guess, to that video. I thought that everybody just got the same thing, but I guess there are variations, so I did maybe just the videos I've seen everybody got the same thing, and I just happened to watch everybody who got the same thing. So there could be variations to maybe other unboxings you've seen. I also want to let you know if I don't know something is cruelty free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box down below, as well as breaking down the value of the box if you're interested in that. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, when you open it up, it looks just like this. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you, which I think is a very nice mantra. It's all nicely wrapped in this little foam stuff, so let's just go ahead and see what we have. Right on top, you're always going to get this little pamphlet that tells you the full-sized values of everything, which I guess they're all full-size, so just the values of everything, as well as everything you're getting, so I'm not going to look too much at that. Let's just see what's in here. Okay, so right on top, I'm seeing, let's see, a 6-piece brush set from F.A.R.A.H, which is a brand I've never heard of until BoxyCharm. Like, these are like the only brush, these and Luxie brushes, I swear Ipsy really likes to send. So I do like these kind of brushes. I just did an unboxing for my Try Beauty box, and I got some crown brushes that I wasn't the biggest fan of. I don't know why I wasn't excited about them, but these, I look at, they're real fluffy, and that's probably the kind of brushes I use the most. So excited to get these. Let's go ahead and take them out and see what they feel like. Oh, they're like tiny. They're like travel sized. That's good. This is only 3 of them, but they are pretty fluffy. There's a couple that are tight, one that's tightly packed. The rest are more fluffy. And I guess I can't count. This is 5 brushes in here, not 6. Did I say 6? I don't remember. All right, so there's your 5 brushes right there. They are a little light. They feel a little cheap, I'm not gonna lie, but the part that matters, the actual bristles, feel really good. So let's see, let's get a value on that. $50, I don't think so. I'm sorry, I wouldn't pay $50 for that. No. Am I crazy? Is this worth $50? Anyone? $10 a brush? I don't think so. Okay, anyways, $50 right here. Next thing I am pulling out is from Ciate London, which is cruelty free. This is the Liquid Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pin Up. So I think it's gonna be a red color if I had to guess. Here's the packaging on that. Pretty cute. This is not the color I was expecting at all. So this is a color that is right up my alley. It is like a dusty mauve sort of color. I do really like it. I don't know if I want to test this. Okay, I'll go ahead and swatch it. I'm not as into matte as I used to be just because I don't think it's as comfortable, but let's go ahead and see how this feels. Oh, this is not dusty. This is like a darker color, like a berry almost color. So there is, it is very pretty. I do like it. So let's see how that dries down, see if it's going to feel uncomfortable, if it's going to dry down super dry. And the value on that is $19. Okay. The next thing I am pulling out of here is from Pixi by Petra, which is a cruelty-free brand. This is the LashLift 188. I do like the packaging on it. I like that it's like long and thin. What is this? Oh, cool. This is neat. Okay, so when I take off the lid right here, there's like this for like your lash line, like a really thin sort of wand. I've tried one like that from It Cosmetics, I think. I really like it. It's really nice for when you're getting underneath there. And then I think you open it again, and then there's like the regular wand. Oh, cool. And it's like the, let me put this down. It's like the silicone sort of wand, which I've been really into lately. I find that this kind of wand, if I'm not wearing like eyeliner, it doesn't leave like stuff in my eyelid. I don't know if anybody else has that problem, but but I find that a lot, but I've been switching to mascaras that are like this, and I find that I don't have that problem. So really, really like that. The wand reminds me a lot of the Tarte Man-Eater one, which is a favorite of mine, so really excited to give that a try. I've never tried a mascara from Pixi, so cool. Then the value on that is $18, which is, I mean, Pixi is a drugstore brand, but they are a little bit more expensive, but if it's a good mascara, it's worth it, right? I don't know. I'm excited to give it a try. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out, I'm really, really excited about. This is from Sunday Riley. This is the C.E.O. Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream right there. I really love the CE Glow Face Oil. I use it every day. It feels so nice, and it makes your skin just, I don't know, just livens it up. It feels really, really good. I want to see what this smells like. Okay, so it's like, I don't know if you're going to be able to tell, it's a little bit orangish in color, like yellowy, and it smells like oranges, so I really, really like that. I'm excited to get this. Okay, the reason why I like the oil, like if I use it, because I was using it day and night and then I started breaking out, because I think it can like clog your pores. That's what I'm blaming it on anyway. So I like, now I'm doing oil in the day and a moisturizer at night, like a cream-based moisturizer. So I think this will be good, so that way my skin isn't getting so clogged, if that makes sense. Let's get a value on that. So that's valued at $65. So I'm really excited I got that. I can't stop talking about this stuff. I tell every person I know, like, that oil is good, so I'm really excited to try the moisturizer version of it. And the Sunday Riley brand is cruelty-free, so that's exciting. Okay, I have one more thing in here, and this is a palette. So this is the Tetris by Ipsy palette, and mine is Black Party. So there's what it looks like, really cute packaging. Remember when I had like the original Game Boy when I was a kid, my dad used to steal it to play Tetris, like that was his favorite. Okay, so mine is purple. I think there are different color variations. And of course I get purple, which is like my least favorite color, but it's not, actually I got the purple one, but there's only one purple color in here. So I have two matte colors right here, and then the rest of these are shimmer. I'm actually not going to swatch this because I just don't see myself using it. I have enough brown and tan matte shades, and the other ones, I don't think I'm going to use it. I don't think I'm going to make a look out of this palette, honestly, if I'm being honest. So this I'm just going to maybe throw into a giveaway or give to a friend, but kind of excited to get it. It's really cool. And it says it's cruelty free on this as well. Okay, real quick, let's go ahead and get a value on everything. Okay, so the value on that box is $183. That's a really good value for this box in my opinion. Although I think the price on the brushes is a little bit exaggerated. I wouldn't pay $50 for 5 brushes personally, but that's just my opinion. Let me know if you get the Ipsy Glambag Plus. I'd love to know if we got the same things. I'd love for somebody to tell me they got something different because I've not seen people get different things. So maybe if you got something different, please let me know. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.